fam, this is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Production, Beats and Feasts. It's time for another cooking video, guys. Today's a little different. It's Taco Tuesday. So today we're going to do just some good old homemade tacos. We're going to do two different kinds. We're going to do a chicken and we're going to do a beef taco. I'll explain the beef here in just a minute. Hey guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with Taco Tuesday. Supporting cast is real simple. I got a large chicken breast, a large chicken. This might be a chicken slash turkey or something, but it's a large chicken breast. I got one chicken breast I've cut in half, and then I made a pot roast. I made a Mississippi pot roast, and the meat is super tender, almost like a short rib. I'm gonna cook that down on the Still-Made USA griddle, and we're gonna make some tacos out of it. So that's me explaining the beef a little bit. Alright, so the seasoning I'm gonna use, well, I'm gonna use some salsa, of course. I got some chipotle salsa as well. I like this fajita mix on my taco, on my chicken, using that. Salt, pepper, using some adobo, chicken seasoning or poultry seasoning, and we got some corn tortillas. Now, of course, I have already made in the refrigerator. I already have some pico de gallo that I made. I'll tag the video for that. That's already on my website. And then I also have, of course, cheese, sour cream to go on the tacos. But we'll display that when we plate them up. But guys, let's get started cooking this up. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to season up our chicken breast here. Some salt. Pink Himalayan, you know I never leave home without it. And some fresh cracked black pepper. And then we're going to use some of this adobo, poultry or chicken seasoning. There we go. And we're going to flip these over. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. My fajita seasoning that I'm going to be using in my chipotle season is going to go on a little bit later, but we're going to put these on the grill first. We're over here at the Still-Made USA griddle. If you don't know about this griddle that I have, it is made right here in the United States in Kansas City. I love it. I use it all the time. I got numerous videos about it. So all you got to do is check it out. If you want to buy one, if you enter Big Tone as your product code at checkout on their website, it'll give you 10% off. Tell them Big Tone sent you. All you got to do is click on the link in my description. It'll take you right there. But let's put this chicken on. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. All right. And we're going to put our beef back here. Now all that beef has to do is warm up. It doesn't really have to cook, but I'm going to cut it up, and it's going to be super tender, guys. Alright, so we're going to let these cook, and then I'll show you how I put the sauces on the chicken, and we'll get it started. We're still cooking up here, but as this beef starts to warm up, I'm going to put a little bit of my chipotle seasoning on it. Not very much, though, because it's already got a terrific flavor from being a pot roast. I'm just going to put a little bit in it to give it that Spanish vibe to it. You can see how tender it is. It just, ooh, it's almost like a, like I said, it's almost like a short rib. It's going to be good, guys. It's going to be super good. So that beef is essentially done. It just needs to warm up. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to move it to the middle of my griddle. So it continues to get warm and that chipotle cooks through it. But that's the other thing I like about the Still-Made USA griddle. It's got warm and dead spots and hot spots in it, and you can cook accordingly. So I'm just going to move it over here, and it's still going to cook, but not at the same rate if I got it over top of one of the eyes. And we're going to let our chicken still cook here before we flip it over. Be just a few minutes. Alright, so it's time to flip this chicken. Ah, look at that goldness on there. Ooh, looks good, looks good, looks good. We're gonna cook that a little bit longer. Stir up my beef here. You know, as I've said in numerous videos, I'm going to taste my beef here while it's cooking. Oh man. May not get this taco. At this point, once the chicken has gotten firm enough, I'm gonna scoot one back to there, leave the other one here, but I'm gonna cut this up. Nice thin strips. Matter of fact, I'm gonna cut this one down the middle, and we'll continue to cut it up. There we go. Let that continue cooking. Cut that up. Bring this one up here. Alright, we'll check here. There we go. So I got all my chicken there. Right away to the chicken, add just a tad bit of my chipotle seasoning over the top. Now that chipotle seasoning's got a little bit of kick to it, so don't add too much. You'll be on fire. Now I'm going to use a little bit of my fajita seasoning here. We're going to mix that up real good. Continue to let that chicken cook. Not too long, I don't want it to get tough. Look at that. Ooh, Lord. Got my beef in the middle. I'll let that cook. Now I'm going to start my tortillas on the other side of the grill. So I'm going to put just a tad bit of oil. Those are cooking up. My chicken's cooking up. Ooh. I'm going to try a little bite of this. Oops. Oh yeah. Alright, we're going to flip our tortillas over. There we go. Don't try that at home, kids. Alright, so I'm going to put my tortillas in the holder here. Keep them warm. And then I'm going to plate some of these up. And we're good as golden. There you have it, guys. It's Taco Tuesday night at my house. I got 2 beef tacos and 1 chicken. Woo! You know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Taco Tuesday night at my house. I got beef and chicken tacos. Woo! I can't wait to get this bite down. Let me try the beef one here. Lord, Lord, Lord. I told you that beef is just like a short rib. Oh my God. Hey guys, if you get a chance, check out the Still Made USA griddle. Go purchase one. Just put in Big Tone as your checkout code. You get 10% off. And there's a Mississippi Belle or Mississippi pot roast on my website as well. I'll tag that. I also tag the pico de gallo that I have here, which is avocado pico de gallo. It's already on my website. You can check it out. But hey guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.